Greetings. In this video, I want to show you how to get Crayon, permanent marker, or any magic marker, or even some scuffs off of any flat screen TV with a couple of household items. It's pretty easy to do. So what I have here is I have a microfiber cloth, I have cotton swabs, I have rubbing alcohol, and then some water. Now, you want to apply 50% rubbing alcohol, 50. Now I have 91%, so that's too strong. So what you would want to do is dilute it. If you only have 50% alcohol, rubbing alcohol, then that's all you would need. You'd pour it into a glass like this. But being that I have a high concentration of 91%, I got half water and then half rubbing alcohol. Okay, so let's go ahead and mark up our TV. And I know this has probably happened to a lot of people with their kids and crayons. Don't worry about it too much, It's pretty common. I remember my 2-year-old daughter a few years back went all the way up and down the stairs of our house and just marked all the way up it. And I'll be honest with you, I didn't even get upset because I was like, that's just what a kid does. I was waiting for something like that to happen. I was like, honey, you can't do that. And she never did it again. There's a little bit of marker. I don't know how well you can see that. And here's some colored pencil. Okay, so you got your spot that you want to clean. And just for future reference, if you have scratches on your TV, I'll link you to a video that I made about how to get scratches off with petroleum jelly, Vaseline, and it works amazing. Alright, so we got our half alcohol, half water concentration, and we're going to dip our microfiber in it. You can get microfiber cloth pretty much anywhere. You can get it Walgreens, Walmart. If you don't have microfiber cloth, you can use cotton balls to do the cleaning and drying. I'm going to be using the cotton balls for drying. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go in a circular motion, but do not rub too hard. If you rub too hard, you're going to get rid of the coat on there that does the shining. So don't rub too hard. Okay, and then we'll go over that with the cotton ball to dry. And voila, that fixes our problem. Alright, make sure you subscribe, and I do appreciate it.